Today I'm checking out this little torch here that you put on a propane canister. Let's take this thing out of the box and see how well it works. So when you get it out of the plastic container, this is what you're going to have. This is basically the insert. Comes with this little paper manual here that shows you how the right way to use it, and then this. So the reason I wanted this one is because we have a couple of these little torches like this that have come with other canisters we've had, but they don't have this auto lighting capability. I don't like having to look for a lighter and trying to always have to light this or look for some kind of sparker. This one has its own ignition switch on it, which should make lighting that stuff super easy. Now this one does say that it's to be used with propane only. So you don't want to use this with other type of fuels. You just want to use this with propane, it says. As simple as turning this knob to turn it on. If you see here, it's got a plus and a minus. That's, you know, turn it to the plus to turn it on, turn it to the minus to turn it off, and of course use that to adjust the flame. And then once you have it just barely turned on, you can push this button and it should light up. So I've got this on the tailgate of my truck, so I don't want to burn my tailgate, but let's try this out. I'm going to turn it on just a little bit. Now I can hear it. One hit. So now that it's on, you can put a bigger flame, smaller flame, all the way down to there's just almost nothing, and then just turn it all the way down to negative to turn it off. So I do got to say, we put a lot of fires out here at the land. It's brush fires or using the burn barrel or lighting the wood stove, whatever we're going to do. We use a lot of lighters, things like that, but this is going to be way better. Even if you're burning charcoal or wood chips or something in, let's say, a smoker or a grill, this thing will light that stuff so much faster than a lighter. And these things are just so super easy to use. I like it. Definitely a thumbs up for me. And I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.